Now let us see the testing procedure of antenna trainer kit. First of all, we have to connect these cables. This is the interfacing cable between transmitter section and receiver section. This is RS-232 cable. We can connect from PC to receiver section. This is 9-pin D connector which will be connected to detector to receiver section. Now let us see. Let us switch on the transmitter section box and receiver section. Okay, first of all we can see automation mode. For automation mode, different types of antennas is there. First we will see, this is simple 5 element antenna. This is folded dipole, folded 5 element antenna, and this is folded 3 element antenna. So like this, different types of antennas, up to 15 different types of antennas is there. First we will see this 5 element simple dipole element. We have to fix here like this, and detector section we have to kept at nearer to antenna. Okay, now we have to select antenna kit with 5 degrees angle. For setting 5 degrees we have to select B switch, switch on B switch, and it shows in display, it shows 360 degrees with an angle of 5. Before so owning this one, we have to open polar plot in PC. This is Laptec polar plot software. Go to file, and here polar plot is there. Go to polar plot and real time, select real time. Here common port 1, we have to select common port. Okay, then we have to click start button. Here the angle and signal will display automatically. Now go to receiver section and press hash button. Like this, the antenna will be rotated for every 5 degrees, and the respective angle will display in PC. See, with simple dipole antenna, for we have to select B with an angle of 5 degrees. We are measuring now. So select B switch, and here in display it is showing degree 360 degrees with an angle of 5 degrees. Before pressing hash symbol, we have to open the software in PC. This is Laptec polar plot software. Go to file and polar plot. In polar plot you have to select real time. We have to select common one port, and this is the start option is there. We have to select start option. Here it is showing angle and signal display is there. When the motor is rotating, it will automatically record the what is the angle with respect to an signal. Okay, now let us start the angle by pressing hash symbol. Like this, the antenna will rotated and respective angle with the signal will be noted in software. Respective graph will be occurring. Here in detector also we can see what is the current we are getting for the respective signal. See here, respective display is recording according to angle 115 to 120, that is 5 degrees with an angle of how much dB is coming. It is recording automatically. with respect to polar plot is showing. After the antenna will rotate to up to 360 degrees, the motor automatically shut down, stop. See, now 360 degrees came, so the motor automatically stopped. Okay, now let us see here in software. Here, respect to 360 degrees, the angle is came, the signal will become, and we have to select this one, stop option. If you want to save this data, we have to save like this. If you press save, data save successfully will come. If you want to save this graph and this Excel format, two options is there. We can save the image by exporting. This is for exporting the image. Just select this one and just select a folder where you are storing. I am storing in desktop. I am creating new folder with an FGH name. Okay, now give file name any name. I am giving angle dot jpg. Select this folder and give angle dot jpg. After creating the folder, just open that folder and give file name any name. I am giving simple dipole with a dot jpg. I am saving as a image, so I am ending with jpg format. Just give save. File is successfully it is saved. If you want to save in Excel sheet, just press this one, export. Here I am saving in FGH folder. I am just giving another name dot xls and give save. File is saved successfully. If you want to see these images and values, just minimize this one. Here FGH folder is there. Here this is the image what simple dipole element has came. Respect to Excel format, this is the values, this is the degrees, and respective signal, dB signal. Like this we have to do the experiments for different types of antennas. Up to 15 antennas we are giving, so just try with the different types of antennas. Okay.